The koala climbed the tree. It's a fine sentence. It's clear, but does it make you see anything? Probably not. Now, what if we said, the young, fluffy koala slowly climbed the tall eucalyptus tree? Suddenly, a picture forms in your mind. That's the power of adjectives and adverbs. They are the tools we use to turn a black and white sketch into a full-color painting. Adjectives are describing words for nouns, people, places, and things. They tell us what kind or how many. So a koala becomes a fluffy koala. A classroom becomes a noisy classroom. They add detail. Adverbs describe the action, the verbs. They tell us how something happens. The koala sleeps is okay, but the koala sleeps peacefully gives us so much more. They add precision. But here's the secret. More isn't always better. The goal isn't just to add words, it's to add meaning. Consider this mess. The extremely very cute little young koala slowly and lazily climbed the really tall eucalyptus tree. It's cluttered. Weak words like very and really actually make the writing feel less confident. It's like shouting to make a point. Good writing is about finding the perfect balance. It's about choosing precise words. Instead of saying a speech was good, was it inspiring? Instead of calling a person nice, were they gentle or compassionate? Instead of ran very fast, did they sprint or move rapidly? Look at your own writing. Find a very or a really. Try taking it out and replacing the word it's modifying with a stronger one. That's how you truly enhance your work. You don't just add words, you choose the right ones. And when you do, your ideas aren't just read, they're seen and felt.